colleagues, it is our great honor to invite you to the second Zagreb Refractive Surgery meeting, taking place in June 2025 in Zagreb. Last year's success set high standards, and this year we will bring you even more innovations and opportunities for professional development.
Our Congress will provide insights into the latest techniques and methods in refractive surgery, along with the chance to hear from leading experts from around the world. We are particularly proud of our wet lab workshop, where young ophthalmologists will gain first-hand experience simulating cataract surgeries with state-of-the-art technology. This is a unique chance for everyone looking to enhance their skills and knowledge in cataract surgery.
The scientific committee has organized the lectures in the way that they cover all the latest advancement and research in the field of refractive surgery. The leading experts all over the world and our domestic ones will talk about newest technology and the knowledge in refractive surgery.